Hey Eli. How's it going? Ay, ay, ay. Cool. Cool. Alright. What am I doing today? Oh shit. You're right, comrade. I'm sorry about that. I forgot to update my shit. Alright, shit updated. There was this game called Drunken Robot Pornography, and it was basically a first-person shooter where you as a player fought or designed boss battles using the developer's tools. Such a fantastic idea, but unfortunately it was developed by a developer, Dejaban, who are incredibly intelligent people who make incredibly interesting games, but they never quite get the feel of their engine to not feel like a slippery, greasy, lubricated, weird thing. Like, I don't really know how to describe it other than those words. Like, it's just a super slippery engine. So nothing ever really feels quite right whenever you're playing their games. And I could never really figure out exactly what it was that caused that feeling. I don't know. So anyways, I could never get as much fun out of Drunken Robot Pornography as the conceit leads you to think you'll get from it. I love the idea of like making boss battles and having that be the game, but I never quite get it. I think I made up a game design over... Let's see if I can find it. I came up with something that was just this game, but better somehow. Let's see. Yeah, there it is. Oh yeah, you can't like control the bosses in the game, and my idea was you'd be able to control the bosses. And I came up with a name for the game before I came up with an idea for the game itself. It was a game I dreamed of, actually. I actually literally came from a dream, as did the title of the game. It came from a dream, so... Someday, maybe, out of all the hundreds of other ideas I had. You figured out how to fix that error? That's good.
Tuned to Groove Salad, and I'm bigger at the AI with the MP3s.
You can buy Drunken Robot Pornography as a 3-pack. So weird. It's not even multiplayer. Anyways, I need to work on my game. Okay, so everything's working just fine. I did some user testing when I went to a bar and saw an audio developer who... Oh my god, he is such a genius. He worked on the audio for Black and White 2. And he explained to me two different things about how I do audio. And how to make it so that I can make the sound effect sound correct. And I know what I'm gonna do now, but I'm not gonna do it this stream. But at least now I know, I have a really, really good idea for how I'm gonna have the sound effects for this game work. Because that was one of the things, like even design-wise, I wasn't exactly sure what I was gonna do. He filled that problem up. So that means that's set. Music's set because I have a track that's 4 minutes long in loops. Might even be 5 minutes. Oh, I need to put that in. Fuck. You know, let's just do that right now because I got that recently. Yeah, final version of Marvel World. Save as. And then replace the asset in here. Why do I have music under audio? Okay, that should update out of Unity. Or it'll crash Unity because I did that while playing. Good, it didn't crash. Okay, so that's done. What am I doing? Sandbox mode, tooltip resizer. But anyways, music is good. So something I wanted to do, and this is the other thing my friend did, was he explained to me how to make the sound effects work such that they can create music. And so now I know how to do that, and he's going to help me if I need any more help. But like he explained that your bass note, you just keep doubling something. You double something, and that's how you increase the note each time. It's like it's a purely simple mathematic equation. So I'm really excited to work on that at some point, but that's not going to be today. Anyways, in conclusion, one of the biggest things I couldn't figure out how I'm going to do, I have now figured out. So that's good. But let's get to sandbox mode, which is supposed to be inside of advanced options, and then where did I put that? Advanced options is there. Where did I put sandbox? I didn't delete it, did I? Wait a minute. No, it's still in here somewhere. Sandbox mode, but see it, but where? I must have dragged it somewhere weird at some point. Or it is in here, and... there it is. That's right. There you are. Okay. So then we need to actually enable this. Okay. I need to fix this then. What is this doing? It's the stuff. It's to be this. Oops. Wait, that's not. Fuck. Why is it stretching out like that? There must be something else here. This? Let's see, let's look at this button. Yeah, it's the aspect ratio fitter I think I need. That's not working. I'll be with you in one moment, chat. Having a tunnel vision moment at the moment. Foreground. Oh. Okay. That's weird. That's why. Okay. I think? No. Fuck. What's wrong with this thing? I think I need to turn off the layout, go to the button, give it the aspect ratio. Which won't take. Why won't it take it? Aspect ratio, none. Oh, wait a minute, is that why? Height controls width, there we go, that's why it's not working. Height controls width, 1. There we go. Turn this back on. We can move the tooltip underneath. But, excuse me. We need to do this right now before I forget. 0.51, center down, yeah. Center down. 0, 0. 0.51, 0, 0. For some reason the stretch is all weird. I don't know how to actually... If anybody knows how the fuck in Text Mesh Pro to like set this box, that would be helpful. I don't know where the fuck the numbers for that are, and I've looked through the entirety of this thing, so... anyways, that should be that, other than the fact that it needs to be centered. Okay, now I will read the chat. Do you know any good ideas for a boss with giant swords? Like what he would do with them, how he would swing them? I mean, you just have him like spin around, right? Spin to win. Spin! Well, he holds them out T-posed. So like a cyclone, that's what he would do with them. And then you could also do the perpendicular version of that, which is the little boy who doesn't know how to fight thing, where like, you know, like a kid would start helicoptering their arms, but not parallel with the ground but perpendicular to the ground. So they kind of like do both their hands but like helicoptering them, their arms helicoptering them straight forward. And I call it the little boy like who doesn't know how to fight thing, because then like the other person that they're fighting just holds out their arm at length and pushes it up against the kid's head. So the kid's helicoptering his arms trying to hit the guy, but the person who he wants to hit is just like stopping them by just keeping their hand on their face. Like, this is in like cartoons and shit, you know? This is a thing that's all over media. Like, helicopter punch. I'm sure, like, if I just looked up helicopter punching. Yeah, here's like fucking... There you go. The Simpsons did it. Oh my god, Google, why do you give me such a shitty link? Yeah, what Bart's doing, that's the helicopter punching. This is really terrible frame rate, but... So you can have the boss do that, but with swords. Yeah. Yeah, I can't describe it, but I can get you a GIF of it. Okay, so sandbox mode, and then what's funny is that my fucking friend, the audio guy, he's like, oh, I really like how the grid looks. I was like, oh shit, do you like want the grid rendered without having grid controls, which is what the grid mode button is for, so I'll just go ahead and enable that. And put that in the advanced options. I don't know, do I really want this? Yeah, I guess I do. Okay, so we'll leave the graphic. Image is no longer going to be part of this. Copy paste these and duplicate these. Throw them into grid mode button. Tooltip. Display grid. Display grid. Okay. Once it's doing that shit again. I think I know what that is. It just needs canvas. Canvas. And it also needs the aspect ratio fitter. Controls width with a 1. Good. So I've got graphic background foreground. And then we just change these to be 0, 0, 0, 0. 1. 0, 0, 0. Does this need canvas? It does. No, it has canvas. Ugh, it's this fucking shit again. Let me deal with this. Canvas inherit nothing. Canvas inherit nothing. Let's see here. We want to put graphic off or not here. Back and forward. Why is it doing this thing? I had to deal with this before and I hated it. UI mask. Okay. Not UI sprite, Dave. UI mask. Raycast simple. Centered. Anyways, these are copied. This canvas, this doesn't. so something. Okay, so let's inject that. There we go. It's so weird how that works, but whatever. Alright, those buttons are back. Kinda wonder if they still work. Oh, where'd the sandbox fuck? Oh, come on. What are you doing? Not rendering. Canvas or not? I do. Canvas mode is right there. Hit play. Maybe it's because those none of those are supposed to be on in the first place because they don't have the tooltip tags. Yeah, that's exactly it. Okay, so we go back and give tooltip tags to these things. Boop, 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 and boop. Okay, now this should work correctly. Yes. Doop, 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 doop. Okay, sandbox mode. So, let's see. Yep, that still does what it's supposed to do. That's good. And the grid button doesn't work at all. Cool. So, let's figure out the grid button. Alright, Eli. Get that boss done. Beat that boss. Excuse me. Okay, grid mode button. So that's a toggle. So I guess effects. So these two. Toggle, toggle, and then this is a button. It's supposed to be a toggle. But does a sprite swap? No. Or two. Okay, so maybe that'll work. Probably won't. Let's see, image and button. Does this have image and button? It does. Text push on it. Do they still do text push? They do. Graphic raycast. There's no graphic raycast on here. That's an issue. The one is. Do we do anything? Ask no. We're good on that. So this should work now. Yep. Yep. It works. It works just how it should. But. Well, it's not a display grid. I guess that's more to like hide grid than display grid. So I'll just change that and then we'll keep that the way it is. Not display grid, but hide grid. Hide grid. So, sandbox mode. It's alright, zombie. I'll feel better once I get a bunch of work done, just because I always feel amazing at the end of these work streams, and I kind of need that feeling right now, because I had a hard drive die, and I'm kind of bummed about that hard drive's death, because I lost half of my music collection. Thankfully, I still have the ability to retrieve it if I take it to a hard drive center and pay a lot of money, but I don't really want to do that because that's expensive, and all of the stuff that I lost on the hard drive was entertainment, like pretty much mostly entertainment. So other than, you know, movies, games, and music, it had my download folder for Chrome. Now, I don't feel too bad about losing that because that's a fucking folder I need to be better about cleaning up. But I also don't feel bad about losing that because that's everything off of the internet. It's nothing that like I was creating myself, so I don't feel too bad. I don't know how Linux BB works. I have not used that. I do have a Mac, so I should be able to do that. Nobody's told me about it yet. Here's the problem, Zombie. The hard drive is... I've already tried recovering with software, and I did get, like I said, half of my music, but the hard drive was connectable and recognizable by the BIOS and Windows at that point. It's no longer recognizable by my BIOS or Windows. So unless Linux BB has the ability to connect to external hard drives through USB, that couldn't even be read by BIOS, I don't know if that's a solution that would work. Hi, Cole. Linux BB. That's apparently somebody's Twitch channel and a World of Warcraft character. I'm not seeing Linux BB in Google here. But I mean, I'll take suggestions. I'm fairly certain I need to take it to a physical location though. I had a hard drive failure. It's where most of my entertainment was housed, so nothing too important was lost, but I would very much like to recover it if I could. While it was still connectable to Windows and my BIOS, I was able to retrieve about half of my music, and then the drive died to the point where as soon as you turn it on, it makes a terrible noise and isn't readable by anything. So we're just talking about possible recovery. That doesn't require me to go to a place and pay an exorbitant amount of money just to get my fucking MP3s back. Thankfully, I do have a database of every single MP3 I did have, so, you know, at least I can always search that for, like, having to replace anything. But there's... The other thing on there that I really wanted to hold on to was a bunch of NVIDIA recordings, like recorded gameplay, because there were some good clips on there that I had yet to upload to YouTube. That's about it. Yeah, I backed up the drive a while ago, so all of the stuff I want to retrieve is more recent stuff anyway. But... like I said, it would just be, it's a nice to have if I could get it back, and if I can't, it's not the end of the world, so whatever. So, okay, so we had a call that if you did disable bonus pieces, and that call is bonus piece disabler script. Okay, so if sandbox mode is flipped to on, we call bonus piece disabler script. Sandbox mode comes from game script, so we can go to game script, look for sandbox. If sandbox mode. On set sandbox mode. Then we do all that shit and then run. Well, we'll have to actually get the script in. So we'll say public bonus piece disabler script bonus disabler. Say bonus disabler dot toggle bonus pieces. Toggle bonus pieces. I think we might want to do like turn it off kind of thing, so we'll make a over something, I forget the word. Public void toggle bonus pieces with bool force if force, so you're forcing them off. Then bonuses if force and bonuses. Let's see, what's bonuses? Bonuses is a list. Bonuses 0 not equal to null. Think that'll prevent errors from occurring. Okay. So let's go here, change advanced options back to disabled. Alright, so you're playing the game, you've got, let's see, you got your bonus piece on the field. And you're like, no, I want to do, that looks fine. Wait, what the? Oh, I need to, oh, fuck. Well, we'll see about that. When you hit this, it disables the bonus pieces, and of course I got a reference error. And clicking back doesn't get you the bonus pieces to re-enable. That's an issue. Alright, so what is it? False? Oh yeah, I never set the fucking thing. Okay. Die, that would be broken. Come on, unplay. Okay. We need to actually set the script, because I didn't do that. Bonus disabler. Bonus piece disabled script. Perfect. Now we try it again. And so we're down here somewhere. Right? Wait. There we go. Oh, I guess it changed. So we're in here, we go here. This still works. We do this. No errors, we do this. It comes back. Perfect. We do this, this, this. That's exactly how I want it to work. That is a to-do. That's done. Okay. You know, I've been meaning to make a credits page, and you just reminded me of that. So, credits page. The thing is that I'm not gonna release a beta or an early access. Oh, well, I guess I am technically having a test, but I don't need to put that message in the test version. That's the kind of message you put in when you're doing early access, and I'm not doing early access, so no, I'm not gonna. I could say that this game is always under development, but I'm not gonna say it's gonna be finished soon, because it's finished like when it's out. Yeah, no, it is. It'll be gold. I think I'd rather say like it's supporting this game. Yeah. In the purchase page, it'll be supporting this game. Supports continued development. I'm gonna have so many people see that and like report it as a fucking typo. Tooltip text resizer. Yeah, I need to do that. So, these tooltips. They need to be double the size on mobile. Or maybe I'll just double all of their sizes right now. How about that? Let's see how long it keeps up with the 20 here. Yep, still 20. 20. Still 20. Still 20. Alright, so if we set them all to 40, yeah, you know what? Maybe that's fine. Maybe that's fine. Problem is, when I had a friend play this, they were like, I can't read this at all. Everybody was like, I can't read this. This is what happens when you give a game to old people. And by old people, I mean people in their 30s and 40s. This needs fixing. Okay, here's something. The advanced options panel has an image on it. That image needs to stop having an alpha. And let's go ahead and do something stupid here. Let's see. We need. Where's the mauve? Here's a good. Yeah, something right around here, maybe. Yeah, right there. I think that's pretty good. Alright. So this resizes incorrectly. Currently it's anchored as a stretch. But the problem with it is once you change your ratio, it does this. And that's bad. That's really bad. I mean, the hard drive kind of soured my mood this weekend, but being able to get some pro tips from a Black and White 2 audio designer that filled all of the gaps of my knowledge that I had about how I'm going to do audio in this game. So that was super duper helpful. And then what was I saying? Oh yeah, so Friday night was good because that guy helped me out a lot. Saturday night was last night, I hung out with a friend, but you know, all of this was just clouded by the fact I had that hard drive die, so. Good but bad. I guess it's been an average weekend. I'm doing very average. Alright, somebody has suggested to me another piece of software. Which I'm now gonna download for recovery, but I still doubt it'll see it if BIOS can't see it. Sec, talking to my art guy. Just need to get a quick screenshot here. Don't have a fucking thing built. Liquid soap from... Liquid version of soap. Suds? I don't know. Yeah, Otherworlds. Mini K. Oh well. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna take one moment here and see what... Oh no, oh no. No, Windows, I didn't mean to do that. Windows freaks out if I try to click on anything that refers to the dead drive. And I almost, well, I didn't almost, I did just try to refer to it, so, okay. RC setup, install, customize. Don't do any of this. Form, install location, queue. Let's install. Oh wait, go back. Oh, no, too late. Hand soap. Yeah, where were the files? In a specific location, and then I can't go to the location because You can't read the drive. Yeah, okay, that doesn't work. This won't work. Shadow copies. Wait, what is this shit? No files are found. No. Yeah, no files. Yeah, of course not. Okay, yeah, so. Yeah. I mean, it's fucking crazy. Anybody knows more than one language. I can never learn another language. My brain doesn't let me do it. This song is awesome. Yeah, Mini K that. That's absolutely Mini K. Programming languages are not different languages. I refuse to believe that. I would call them interpreters, which means its own different thing, but still call them interpreters. It's just, how does your computer interpret what you want it to do? You have to make sure it interprets it based on what you code. I don't know. Because you write one thing and it'll be interpreted two different ways depending on what the code is. If you're trying to compile C++ versus C#, just a different interpreter. Not a different programming language. But what you write has to be different. I don't know. Yeah, it does sound like Katamari music. Kind of. Just a little bit, kind of. Alright. It's getting stuck playing my own game. What am I doing? Tooltip text. Nah, let's say that's fine. I can do that eventually, but that'll be like during testing phase. That's not for maybe 1.0. Maybe it's a pre 1.0. We'll see. Fix ball layer if it's. Oh yeah, that whole thing. Okay. So what this is trying to fix is if I have. Let's go ahead and delete that. Alright. So two things. One is the ball, when it goes into any loop, it'll have a specific layer that it's applied to. And then when it leaves the loop, it gets changed. When it goes, second thing, the only other one of these, it goes in here, it's on a different layer. So, the thing is, ensuring that a ball's layer gets reset if it leaves any of these weird layers, like right there. Oh my goodness, what? Yeah. Okay, so I don't know if you're seeing what's going on here. But it's going through... Here, this will actually explain it. No, maybe not. It's going through pieces until the layer changes, right? So that's happening because it's on a timer. But instead of being on a timer, it should recognize that it's leaving the drag collider of a piece. The drag collider being sort of a generic area of effect on a piece. If we can get that showing up here. Drag collider. So like as long as it leaves this sort of area of effect. Because that's a better way than a countdown. But the question is, does it recognize that collider when it leaves it? And I don't know. I don't know if it does. It's a trigger, so it should be able to check. So what we'll do is we'll go into the ball and we'll find the code for on trigger exit 2D. So if it knows that it exits an in block, that's not what we're looking for. Out block is not what we're looking for. Goal, no. No ball, collide layer, no. Swap play. So there's not even a check against the drag collider. So in this case, drag collider, drag tag, and drag layer are the three different things we can actually check against. So else if collider 2D.name equals drag collider, because the name of the collider is simply the name of the game object holding the collider. So we can just do that check. But it's not just that, because it's gonna exit that with every piece. No. What we also want to check against, which we'll check first, because then it'll do this else if fewer times, is whether or not it's on the layer where that matters. So there are two layers where this matters, and that's in whatever the layer it is it changes to in the loop, and whatever the layer is in when it goes into the U shape. So let's unpause this, get those out of here. This is just so that I can be smart about this. Look at our ball at this moment, and we can see that it's in the secret loop layer. So secret loop layer is layer 15. So we check to see if game object.layer is equal to 15, or, and these are going to be inside of parentheses, game object dot layer is equal to what the U shape piece puts it into. So we'll see what that is right here. So we still have the same ball, no fizz layer. Okay. So no fizz layer is layer 11. So game object dot layer equals 11. Oh, I don't know why I doubled that up. Silly person. So if it's on any layer that's not its normal layer, while it's exiting a drag collider, then we most definitely want to change it back
whether or not you consider what we're about to hear music.
to layer 8, which we can just see from here is its default layer. Just to double check, we go in here and see the layer 8 is the ball layer, so that's good. So if this works the way I want it to work,
And since in the piece that you will hear I produce sound,
we can unplay,
I would call it music.
play,
You will call it music.
and now when I hold this down, the ball should not fly through the piece. Yep, perfect. And then when I do this, before the timer is up, I can check this ball and see that it's in the ball layer. Perfect! Does exactly what I wanted. Happy days. Something I've been meaning to fix forever is finally fixed. Boom. If nothing on the field, 0 offline earner. Okay. So that's a... I feel like I did this already. And so let's just find out if I did or not, because I can't remember. And this is easy enough to find out, because we can just show average income. Delete all that. New. And then you can see it's on an average of 6 and 11. And how about we just delete all the balls and delete all the pieces? Aha! So as soon as I deleted everything, it set it to 0. Now, was that the delete all doing that, or was that literally the last piece being made doing that? So let's make these 2 pieces, get the average to go up. Dun. Yep, it's already zeroed out. All right, I already did this, and I just forgot to get rid of the to do in my document. So we can just go back here and say that that's done. Infinite loop handling, someday. Finalized pricing, no. Limit to 5 spawners. Okay, that's something I can do. So this is actually close to finalizing pricing. In a way, we're going to like sort of temporarily finalize the pricing. So we want to look at something. I think it's the buy button script.
You will call it music, all right?
Or the button script. This button script has all of this shit, so it might be the button script. Alright, what am I missing in chat? Because I haven't looked at chat in a while. Oh, skin stuff. Yeah. Yeah, it's hard to keep up with all that shit. I'm very thankful that I don't have too many skin issues. I have good moisture retention. Okay. So most of the pricing in this game, or maybe all of the pricing in this game, is dependent on price update. So that's a lot of ifs. Instead of doing ifs, we should do a switch case. So let me go and find how to do that syntactically. Or is it just case, not switch? Oh, it's just case, not switch. Case statement, where are you? I have lost you. I don't want to be in a dot shader. Please stop. Please stop being in a shader. What the fuck? I know I have a case statement somewhere in my code. Why can I not find it? Alright, C# case statement. Oh, it is switch, not case. Switch. How about this? Can't find that. Okay, so I didn't have a space in there? What the fuck? And it is cases. Did I? What? I could have sworn I wrote one of these. Unless it's in my other code. Oh shit, do I still have Sublime? I do. Thank God I didn't put that on my X drive. Okay. Case? Is this finding through all documents? Find in files? Find case? Find. There it is. Yeah, okay.
You're listening to Groove Salad, ambient.
It was
beats and
in
grooves from
some other
SolarFM.com.
thing. Okay, switch case. It was in my old game that I did a switch. Alright, so let's just grab this real quick. And throw it into the code under button script. Oh wow, that's disgustingly ugly. Anyway, switch. Name. Can I do a case contains? Using string contains with switch. Do a check at first. That doesn't make sense. It's saying switch stir if no, that doesn't make any sense. Nope, switch statement requires compile time constraints. The statement contains can evaluate true or false, so you can't use it as a case statement. Yeah, I might be overcomplicating this. Alright, maybe not so much on that case statement. What kind of info related to what the piece type is here? Food calls domain game script with predictive piece's name and upgrade points. Really? Do I still want to do that? I don't know if I still want to build up. Oh. Wow. Need to fix this one thing. Yeah. Nope. Nope. Okay, that's fixed. You back down. Go to you. Oh, that needs to be. Nope. Almost. There we go. Okay, that got it. If I try to... Oh, that does let me do it. Here I've been messing around. Oh, okay. Messing with my to-dos way too much. Okay, these are all correct, right? What? No, not that. They're like ever so slightly off. It bothers the fuck out of me. Oh well, whatever. this is the poopy work that I was so afraid of. But here we go. We need to do this. We need to do this. Okay. From the top. Zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I bet there's a more programmatic way I could do this, but for now, fuck me. Bounce doesn't exist anymore. Don't even touch it. 8, 9. Okay. So let's play pretend. So base points is how many points you will earn from using the piece, if it even has that as a thing it can do, which 0 can't, 1 can't, but everything above that doesn't include, let's see, let's go find out which piece this is. The 0 and 1 can't give you any points. Otherwise, this can't get you any points, which is what? 20. And then all the rest can. That one can, that one can, that one can. Alright, 20 is the only other. So 20 is not even in here. 20 won't include a base points. Buy price. If it doesn't have a base points, it won't have an upgrade price. So. This is supposed to include how much the price goes up every time it's purchased. So it does buy price times equals 2, and it does a divide equal to when you refund it. But that has to be different for the spawner. Oh, Jesus. There's a lot of people streaming. Germa's streaming Super Mario RPG. Limes is streaming Astral Chain. Desert's streaming Mega Man. Some good streams out there. It's hard for me to stream when I want to watch everybody else stream. Okay. What we're gonna do is if name contains, if it does not contain 0, so it's not the top one, then you just do all this shit. Alright. If name contains 0, 0. Mood. Doom. If name contains 0. Do all that. And then upgrades have something else. This is not the final way of doing things. It's just my quick and dirty to get it to the point where I'll be able to be happy with some of it. Else, let's get all those else's set up. Actually, I need this one too. Ba-bam. Ba-bam. Bum, bum, bum. Okay. I think we're gonna go with buy price times equals 10. Okay. And then the limitation. We need to know how many zeros exist. So then Button script has to ask for basically need to keep track of how many spawners are made. I thought we did that at one point, but I don't think we actually did do that. Now that I think about it, there were only 2 upgrades I ever gave it, and one of them was not. Neither of them were being able to buy more spawners. So what we need to do to keep this cheap is let's look at how many variables have the word spawn in them. Slider, randomizer, rate upgrader, spawner text. Last spawn selected. I drank tea and I'm getting tired and it's pissing me off. I also had some of these candies with coffee in them and I'm getting just tired again. This is not what I need. Right, spawner, spawner, spawner. Alright, it's not in here. So, what we do is let's see which one we want to do this one. No. No. Yeah, here we go. Okay, so come on. Private in num spawners. And there's a point when we add a piece to a dictionary. Let's see if I'm finding it here. God,
I hope
so
you
much.
really like the music we play here at Some FM. And I hope that you'll support us as well. We can use your financial support. It's the only way we pay our bills and stay on the air here. So go to sumfm.com and click on the support button. You'll find out how you can get t-shirts, CDs, and more.
Oh, you can't
Thanks
see
for
what I'm
listening.
The
highlighting. I
vibe
just
is what you
realized.
bring with you, and Groove Salad will help make that vibe even better.
Set game data. Which looks through all game data? No, wait, that's not right. Piece data, that's it, piece data. So I'm gonna look for piece datas. There it is, add piece. Right, so when we add a piece, if pd dot name. No, we already have name. If name contains 000, then num spawners plus plus. And then we do the same thing in here. When the piece data gets removed, if name is 0, minus minus. Let's debug log this so we make sure that it actually works right. Spawns. Okay, unplay. Yeah, I feel sleepy. I don't know why. I slept just fine, so I think it's more just stress. Num spawns is 1. That loaded in and it knew it was 1. I remove it to 0. I add 1. I add 2. I add 3. I can swap over to sandbox mode. Back. Uh-oh. 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 Wait a minute, what? Wait a minute, what? Sandbox mode is so broken. Which is why I might get rid of it. Which removes a chunk of my income. So maybe I need to figure out what the fuck is wrong with sandbox mode. Oh no. Sandbox mode is like losing all my data. The fuck? Boop, 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 boop. Just like that. Did you see that? It just disappeared. Why is that happening? Boop, 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 boop. And then I click here, I click back, boop, boop. No, boop. 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, 4 1000, 5 1000. Boop. And they disappeared. Okay, so this has to do with the auto saving. That's a good bug to catch. I know exactly what the problem is. I'm gonna fix this now. The issue is the autosave isn't testing whether it's sandbox mode or not. So it's auto-saving the sandbox side over the normal save. I wonder if I'm actually autosave. Did I never named anything autosave. Fucking Dave. Fucking use your comments, Dave. Alright, well, the autosave happens on a timer, so if I just go up here and look at what I set the timer at, I can find where the code is and then it'll be good. Save timer. So save game name. Yeah, this doesn't check. So there's save game name, and then there's sandbox save name. Because I'm not doing the check, right here, then it fucking breaks. So sandbox mode is a simple rule to check. Means I can just do if sandbox mode, else do the code that is already here. Let's change this to sandbox save name. And that should have fixed that bug. Thanks, Cole. See you later. Good luck with your shit. Whatever your shit may be. Let's see. Is there any save here? There's like, there's just no save. Oh, you know what? Let me just do something real quick that I've been meaning to do. Zoom. Outer limit. 70. Inner limit. Wait, this is ortho though. Is that right? I think that's right. Okay. Yeah, I want to be able to see the whole fucking thing. Alright, that's good. And then the furthest I can zoom in is right here. Yeah, that works for me. Okay. So there's nothing here. And if I go to sandbox, there's nothing on the other side either. Other than a changed boost location. That's... Wait, what? No, those bonuses are... Yeah. Those bonuses are supposed to disappear. Here, what in the world? Oh no! Interesting. Very interesting. Huh. I kind of had code already ready for disabling the bonuses if you went into sandbox mode. But it was only half implemented, so that when you leave sandbox mode, the bonuses get respawned. Not unhidden. Which means instead of hiding them when I enable sandbox mode, I should be deleting them. Huh. Okay, I need to fix that first. I'm like 3 layers deep in this fucking work right now. What I really need to do here then is delete the bonus pieces. Look, I already have the code. All I needed to do was call that from here. Or not there. From here. There we go. All right. Having disabled bonus pieces on fucks that shit up. And I can't find the disabled ones. Oh, come on. Really? You're gonna do that shit on me? Fuck. Okay. I'll see now. I see now. I should have done the disabling so that it just does this. Because I already had the code ready to enable them by just spawning them and not re-enabling them. So disabling was pointless in the first place. Okay. Cool. I am my own worst enemy when it comes to this fucking development. So what we need to do is look at disabled ones. Is the so I made this whole script toggle bonus pieces, but it's like fucking useless. Wait, did I make a wait? What? No, bonus pieces saved. Okay. Yeah, this was pointless, huh? Because I can just do spawn bonuses. Well, alright. Game script. Are you known? You're not known. Okay. So... What? Spawn bonuses. Spawn bonuses. And at this... Alright, I'm just gonna get rid of bonus piece disabler script. This is so fucking pointless right now. There's just better information here. Just grab this up here. No, I wanted to check from the top. Sure, there's something with the word bonus from up here, right? Hold up, hold up. Piece disabler and bonus disabler, but I called them the same thing. I am an idiot. Alright. Piece disabler. Bonus disabler, which was then used. Cool. No, I don't want that there. I want that to be next to the other code. This. I don't think we need this. Set bonus pieces? No, that's not right either. What you need to do is set toggle bonus, and then it's not public, and just wait, is the top? Yeah, that's public. Maybe private game object bonus pieces. Set bonus pieces. Run pieces, and then you say bonus bonus pieces equals pieces. That's all you do there. Toggle bonus pieces gets called by the toggle, which is called toggle bonus. So from here you say if toggle bonus is on equals true. That's when you toggle on and off. So we look at the script we're gonna kill. If is on, then we want to delete when toggle gets called. pieces. So we need to actually, this is just going to be set bonus pieces. Don't even need this. Well, no. I can't remember. I don't know. Let's just do this for now. Else. Spawn bonuses. Okay. Cool. Brokenness. Just what I expected. No, that's fine. Bonus piece disabler script is now going to disappear. What did I just do? What did I just do? Okay. Imagine me figuring out that what I'm about to do is a bad idea. Oh God, I hope that doesn't happen. Remove you from scripts. Actually, wait, can I? No, can't. Good. Just realized I never initialized bonus pieces, so I have to do that. Okay. No idea if this is gonna work right. Let's find out. So we've got our two pieces. You can see them over here. If we try to hide them, nothing happens. Great, cool. And that's normal because I have yet to make the check mark point at the thing it's supposed to point at. Table bonus pieces is now supposed to point at main script. I didn't make it public. That wasn't the right button I just hit. There we go. Hey. Options. Disable? Still doesn't work. Because what? Why didn't that stick? Oh, because I didn't make it public. Ah, right, okay. Bonus pieces. There we go. Alright. Dump. 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 Hey, Mop. How's it going? Welcome to the chat and the channel. It is the first time I've seen you. Let's see here. Okay. Zoom out. Bonus pieces. Cool. Yeah, that makes sense because I forgot to do a thing. I totally understand why I have that error. Unplay, please. So the trick was I added a public toggle and never set it. Now I have to do that. Okay. I knew I was forgetting this. I just forgot what it was I was forgetting. Zero bonus pieces. That's what we need to do for in here. Zero bonus pieces. Woo. Okay. I'll just leave the UI up. I don't even care. Alright. Disable. Good, but yeah, not quite good because now it's doing the thing I didn't want it to do. Motherfucking. Alright. This is so weird how, like, I did and didn't code for this. I know exactly what's wrong. But I need to figure out which way I want to go with fixing it. Okay, I could undo, but I think instead I'm going to simply say that if you're using the toggle, you're gonna do what the save load does. And the save load does a spawn bonus with positions. So what we need to do is save those positions when we do a disable. Which are saved. Where exactly? MISC save data. So can I probably can't. Yeah, no, I can't. Fucking Dave, what have you done? A follower.
Don't catch you slipping now.
Thanks for the follow. I hope you enjoy watching me bash my head against my own code. Alright, well, the thing that's definite is that I need to use the overloaded spawn bonuses whenever I'm re-enabling from the options. So, knowing that much, must use overloaded positions. What we want to figure out right now is it viable to just save those positions away when I toggle off? I think it is viable, but I need to do two things. The first thing I need to do is have those positions loaded in immediately upon the game starting, which means when a load occurs. And then also when we do the disabling. Now, those piece positions get saved from get bonus pauses. Which means we could or should be able to just copy how that's used. This is on a load. Bonus pauses. Ah! Bonus pauses. Bonus pauses is global, isn't it? Oh, it is! That's all I needed. Fuck me. Alright. Past Dave may have just saved current Dave's ass. Let's find out. Past Dave, how cool are you? Past Dave, you're the coolest. I love you, Past Dave. You know what the fuck you're doing. Unfortunately, this is not working because when you yeah, I need to do that. Okay, so leaving sandbox mode has to check if disable bonus pieces is true or false. So toggle sandbox is not a thing. Toggle sandbox. So it does this, and then if bonus toggle bonus dot is on, yeah. So toggle bonus is on. Oh, this song is awesome. Yeah, we'll just despawn it after, and then, yeah. Okay. So where the fuck was I? Oh, I'm lost. I'm lost. God damn it. This song is so fucking weird. I love it. Okay. If this is on, just do the thing. And it'll bring it back. Else, do the thing. Nah, that's not right. Do the thing no matter what. And then if toggle bonus that is on, then despawn. Think that'll do it? Okay, so we got the two pieces. Boop, 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 boop. That's incorrect. Okay. It has the toggle, right? It knows the toggle, but yeah, that's all fine. Toggle bonus. Oh fuck. What am I doing wrong? So I'm turning off sandbox mode, it goes into else. It says do this. And it checks toggle bonus. You know what? Let's do it this way. We'll figure it out this way. We'll do it now. Okay. Boom. Wait, no. Boom. Toggle listen as a false. Oh. Wait. That's the opposite of correct. Okay. That should do it. Woo. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 boop. Pass Dave, thank you. Thank you for not sucking ass. Wait a minute. One thing I forgot to check. Even though I'm sure it's working fine. I need to make sure it's not making dupes. It's not making dupes. It's not making dupes. Huzzah and hooray, it's not making dupes. Thank me. Okay, take that. Did that fix a to-do? No, I'm just doing limit spawns. Okay, I just like found a bug, that's all that was. Right, I was looking at this. 1, 2, and then 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, 4 1000, 5 1000. Click. 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, 4 1000, 5 1000. Click. Okay, this number is incorrect because of the saving and loading that's happening. Right. How do I fix that so that it's not incorrect? Let's see here. That is get my fucking bookmarks back. Yeah, all that's an issue that I need to get back to. It's a to-do. Let's eat this. Do I? No, it's still important too. This is all. That's 3 files. Okay. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Num spawners. I think all I need to do is make it so that num spawners is equated to 0 whenever a load or a refresh occurs. Maybe just that will do. I think that's all that I have to do. So let's see here. Yeah, that looks about right to me. Yep, that is correct actually. Very good. I got that to be, yeah, bad piece. Yeah, fuck me. Do I really want to look into that? Let's, you know what? Let's stop this. Let's go into that code and let's do a to-do, perhaps fix this. I'm gonna go use the bathroom real quick. Alright. So we're keeping good track, which means we can simply do a check against spawners such that we'll limit it to 5. It's probably always going to be 5. Let's do get num spawn. If num spawners is greater than 4. Return false. Else. Return true. No, it's not get num spawn. Let's do can spawn. Greater than 4. Greater than or equal to 5. To do. Decide on variable at samples. Can spawn. Oh, cool. So, button script on a button click for spawning, which is just button script. I must want to like disable the button if I can't use it, but I can't. I have to do something else. Okay, I'm gonna do it that way. I'm gonna do this. If game script dot can spawn return. This is not how you. This is incorrect. This is not how to do this. If that and that return. That might work. Let's find out. Well, it would be nice if I remembered parentheses. Yes, I agree. Error code. That would be nice if I remembered to put parentheses. Return false. I don't remember why I need that, but yeah, it's return false. Oh, only that? What? Oh, right, because it dragged. Spawn me ever? Whatever, I'll just leave it as is. I'm not going to question my own shit on that for now. I always see you do that cut emote, but I never see you try to connect your messages to make it look cool. You should just start spamming so that it looks cool. Anyways. That does the right thing. No, not like that. Oh well, now I'm back down to 4. Why does it think I have 5? Oh, there is 5. Wait, what? Oh, because I wasn't dragging. Okay. Too bad the pricing is completely broken in how that's. Oh, that's fantastic. Nobody has that emote because nobody's. You gotta do this. No, wait, not that. Hold on, you gotta do it the other way. And then back and forth. Yeah, there we go. And make it look like it's raining gnomes. Why are you asking who has a cuck emote? Uh-oh. Oh, I just don't have enough money. Wonder what that is. I think I already know what that is. Let's see if I can fix that. No, I don't think you heard that word at all, actually. I think you made that up. Buy price. Current doc. We've got multipliers, we've got dividers. And I hit all of them, so what in the fuck is going on such that my numbers are all fuckered? Alright, let's get rid of this fucking thing here because it's starting to bother me. It's completely pointless now because I fixed the bug for that. 100. We remove it. We get half of... The buy price gets divided by 2, not 10, which means that... Spawn... no. Refund. Name contains... Fuck, I did this backwards. That's why. There we go. Hooray! That's correct now. So I think that's pretty much it. I just need to go and turn off the logs. I'll be fine. Song is starting to get on my nerves. So that's done. I can now limit the number of spawners. That's good. Let's get into this because that's probably gonna be the last thing I do tonight. And then I'm gonna play some Driver San Francisco. Because I need to improve my mood, and that will help a lot. Whatever. So here's a fun one. Collisions on a lot of these are probably a little weird and broken, and the pivots are not exactly what I want them to be. So we're gonna go through, make every piece, and check which ones need fixing. I should have started more on the left. Okay, hold on. Alright, so we'll start at the top left. Oh my god. What have I done? Okay, so that's a funny little glitch there. I already know what the cause is, and I feel ever so stupid for causing it. Oh no. So, all right. So what's happening here is it's leaving the drag collider of this piece while it's still in the loop. So it's changing back to the go through the loop layer at just the perfect point to cause this to happen. Which means, well, let's leave it there for now and build out the rest of this. Actually, it doesn't even matter if Marvel goes through, so we'll just make these anyway. 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, 4 1000, 5 1000. So all we have to do to fix that is look at which numbers correspond to those pieces and do the check. But that still won't work because I'm gonna have... Well, let's look at it this way. Yeah, that's all right. Okay, so if we have this, right? And then we have 2 of these. No, not those. 2 of these. Like, this is gonna break it. As you spray me with your mace, I thank you. Wow, what a great song this is. Classic Morchiba. Let's look at the ball. And unpin these as we're not working on them. And what the fuck? Did my sunset script just trigger? What the fuck? Hold on a moment. Yeah. What the fuck? Delay until sunset. 6 p.m. Wow, this shit broke. Wonder how long it's been that way. Probably since my drive died. Sunrise time, 6 a.m. Let's make that 7. Delay until sunset. 1.5. Okay. That was neat. My sunset screen was wrong. Okay. So my whole screen just went like tan. That's what you did not see. Excuse me? Interneting. Okay. That is something. So if you're currently on a bad layer, you leave a drag collider, but we need one more if here, which is and collider 2D. And you're not currently inside of how am I gonna do this? On trigger stay 2D? Then each frame where another object is within the trigger collider. Can I just do is touching? Touching the collider. This collider and the collider. Your list of all colliders that overlap this collider. So do overlap collider. So I need to do overlap collider. Get a list of all colliders that overlap the collider. And there's no example code. Fucking thanks, Unity. That is something. Collider 2D. Collider 2Ds. Collider 2Ds. Equals. Wait. Collider 2Ds. How to do this? Overlap. I can't get overlap collider. I need to do collider 2D dot overlap. That's not a thing. Overlap. That's still not a thing. Collider 2D dot overlap. Nope. Collider 2D dot overlapping collider. I don't have a contact filter. Contact filter user. Go to select class. The energy return. Oh. Contact filter used. Filter the filter. Note that the normal angle is not used. Contact filter 2D. CF2D. CF2D. Collider 2Ds. Debug log. Collider 2Ds. 0. Just does the code work for that? No. Unassign local variable. Yeah, because I don't know how to use it. I don't want to use a contact filter. I just want to check them all. Get a list of all colliders that overlap this collider. Use of unassigned. Yeah. I mean, do you want me to just do contact filter 2D? CF 2D? I mean, that's not going to do anything. Okay, give me contact filter 2D so I know how to fucking make it right. Ah! Thank you. No filter. That's not an option. Dot no. Why is that not? Oh, because CF2D dot no filter bada bing bada boom. But I probably do want a filter. In which case, what would I filter? Layer mask? So I can filter by drag collider? I think that might work. Contact filter is CF2D. CF2D dot layer mask. But then not dot layer mask. CF2D dot use layer mask. It's true. Then that would just work? No. How do I do this? Still no example code for some reason. Contact filter 2D example. This is a fantastic thread of nobody using example code. Man. You try to get some example code and the internet just fucks you. Oh, I think I've been in this thread before, where like this guy tells the Unity dev that he's being passive aggressive. Yeah, because you know, you don't fucking give a goddamn code example, you idiot. I don't know if I've ever used this before. Contact filter 2D. Anywhere, but no, I didn't want to hit the X. Nope, nowhere. Perfect. Perfecto. Code example.
There were trees, birds, lakes.
Ah, okay, this is more helpful. This is some code that somebody actually made. Layer mask equals. But wait. Isn't this supposed to be a set? I can't just do one layer, I want to do 2 layers. Well, maybe I could do more than one? Yeah, I can do more than one. So we're looking at 15 and 11. So we do this twice. Int calls equals 0. Calls will plus equal whatever that amount is, and then it'll plus equal whatever that amount is, and if calls ends up being greater than or equal to 1, then you don't do anything. Otherwise, you'll do that. What the fuck? Why not? This works here. Contact filter 2D. Oh, equals. New contact filter 2D. And collider 2D. Colliders 2D. 2Ds? Collider 2Ds? Do I need that? Collider 2D? Yeah. But I don't know the size, so how am I supposed to do this? I just make it fucking huge. Alright, new collider 2D 99. I'm gonna laugh real hard if this just works. What they are is people who just don't know what's going on and being confused, that's all. 15, 16, 17. What am I outputting here? This? But... Oh. What? Wait a minute. Hold on a minute. Hold on a minute. Okay. So... No. Why are you calling that? Oh, because of this. Okay. Let's unpause. Kill you. Kill all balls. Look back over here. Yeah. So... that's really fucking cool. I need to figure out how to make that into a thing in the game. Because that's way cool. Hold on. Oop. Okay. Nope. Didn't mean that. Oop. Alright. Ah! So, yeah. Okay. So it's leaving this drag collider. It has this as true. This entire thing is true. So it gets in here. Actually, you know what? Let's see if it gets in here. Because I think that's what's happening. It's getting in there. And it's not that it has to be greater than or equal to 1. It's that it has to be equal to 0. Most likely. No? It's not getting in there? All's a 0. Right. Wait. Right? Wait. Wait a minute. Okay, no, this is wrong. So basically, it's saying, is the thing you're colliding with on layer 11 or 15, which it's not going to be. We're checking the collider of drag collider. We don't want to do, okay. I see what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. Okay. We need to go look at the filters we have. Mask, layer mask is not right. It's tag, but tags we don't have. We need to look at a better filter, because what we need to do is say, is the parent of the collider no. Yeah, we need to do a name check. Which, yeah, I know, I was gonna do that. Okay, sets the filter contact results based on trigger collider involvement. That's not right. Oh, okay. drag collider, drag layer. Drag layer is 10. We need to do the filter by 10. Don't do this. Okay. So we're saying you exited a drag collider, which means you then check your filter against drag collider of current overlaps, so that if you're in a drag collider, then it should hit this. Okay. So that's just to make sure I know what the fuck is going on, and then I know where to go from there. As long as I know what the fuck is going on. Oh my god, Unity. Thank you. Man, I really was hoping that installing Unity to an SSD would suddenly make it actually work even faster than normal. Like, it was already working pretty decent, but it was on the slow drive. Well, now it's completely on SSD, and it's not actually any better, so. No, still no. Still no. Not expected. Not expected. Because you're checking to see if any current filter. You know what? We're just gonna. We're gonna just not filter anymore. That's what we're gonna do. Is filtering false? Okay. Filtering. Can we just say what? No filter. No filter. It's a method. No filter? Okay. I need to get rid of this. How that. And then God damn it, just fucking work. Alright, there we go. It found more than one collider. Which means our debug log, whatever, I'll just find it in here. Collider, it's not in here. I think it's doing the right thing now. We'll double check by doing this. Yeah, looks right. Looks right to me. So the next test is I have to do this. Which, yeah, it's a little broken, but some of these here, and then we'll check this way. Yeah, now it's just not doing the good stuff anymore. Drag colliders are still pretty tight. Weird. All right. So it's not changing to 8, and that's because it's not checking which colliders it is or isn't leaving. This isn't even logging, but that's because a return is happening. How do I do this? How do I do this check? Okay, if it's leaving a drag collider. Alright, because we're not specifying which one we're looking for yet. Okay. Okay. Here's what we do. And collider to d dot parent get component in parent. No, there's another way to do that. Unity get parent game object. Transform dot parent. Yeah. Dot name. Dot contains. And this one's gonna be in parentheses. So the check either happens up here or it happens down here. That's the trick. And so I wanted to do it in here instead of up here. Okay, so let's try that first. Comment that out. Save it if we need it. Collider 2Ds. We need this to actually be returned up here. Debug log collider 2Ds dot length. Okay. Length of 99. Of course it's a length of 99. Circle collider 2D. Check out the collider with itself? No. Name. Let's try this, just for the fuck of it. You know this is useless. Remove that. Recombine. Just colliders, right? But okay, yeah. So one of those is going to be drag collider. So what we can do is for each string call name in collider 2Ds dot name. I don't think that's right. No, it's not. What's up, Lulu? For each collider 2D calls in collider 2Ds if calls dot name equals yeah, this is what I want. Drag collider and if constant name is drag collider and calls.transform.parent. Oh boy. This is where all the fuckery happens. Dot name dot contains. So, what are the numbers that we're checking? We're checking against 5, 6, and 10. This is such like a porny song. So the question is, do I want this to all be up here? Or do I want to do this code? I don't know if it even matters. I don't know which one's better or worse. One of them is just checking if you're exiting a trigger. The other one is checking to see if you're over something. So we do need it in this part of the code because we're saying if you exit... Yeah, if you exit any drag collider while you're in a weird layer, don't swap your layer if you're still over something that requires you to be on a weird layer. In other words, if you're still overlapping a collider, a drag collider, that has a parent with a name that contains one of the 3 pieces that needs this. Yes, this is the correct code. So if you contain 5, contain 6, or you contain 10, return and do nothing. The number of overlaps don't matter, so we won't assign that. We'll get rid of calls completely. We don't need mask. We are not using any filter, although it would be smarter to use a filter. I don't actually know what kind of filter I would even use here, because we're filtering purely on name. That's all we care about is name. Maybe Oh, is it up here? Oh, there it is. Control P. Okay. All right. Debug log calls done. Is it? It? It's because it's going through 99 colliders. I hate this. This is just so fucking weird. Like, I need this to equal the length of the function it's in. How in the fuck am I supposed to do that? Overlap collider code example. This is not helpful. This guy just makes it 10. That's not the right answer. Oh, god damn it. I see the oh my god. Okay. Alright. Fine. Just overcomplicate this code. That's fine. I'm fine with that. Let's do it. Once again, can't use for each. This always happens. Every time I try to use for each, I discover I shouldn't have used a for each, I should have used a for. I don't know why this is such a fucking pattern with me in my code. I equals 0. I is less than num calls. I plus plus. Let's just comment this out real quick. And oh, maybe like 15. Fucking no. Alright. Ah, fine. Da, 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 da. Whoop. Oh, didn't work. Didn't work at all. Awesome. Still not working. Alright. Is it ever getting in here? Probably. It's the only reason it's not swapping over to layer 8 is because it is getting in there. But it's not doing the right thing. Let's just do the thing. Yep. So it just continues on its merry way because it's where it's supposed to be. Yep. Okay. Does it ever hit this? Okay, that's wrong. Yeah, let's try that. Okay. So we put one here. Go over here. Boop. Right there. Yes, that is it. No. This. Okay. Fuck. It's exiting the drag collider for the loop. Is that correct or not? I need to be able to test this. I need to be able to pause the fucking... I need to just fucking get in there. Oh my god. How do I do this? So it's leaving the trigger. What am I fucking messing up here? Alright, maybe this will help. Maybe this will help. This is not gonna tell me what I want, is it? Okay, I'm just gonna talk it out. I'm gonna talk it out again. Maybe it'll figure it out for me. So, this happens. We leave the drag collider, and it triggers because it's in this layer. We have a number of colliders We have a new set of colliders. We have a filter. The filter says look for triggers. So we have more than 0 triggers that are overlapping the collider at the current moment as it exits a collider. You know what? I bet you it's just counting the exited collider. That has to be it. There's really no other explanation here. I can't think of any other thing. Which is bullshit. Which means we have to ignore 1 every time we do this. Oh my fucking god. So, just... I need... Let's not return, alright? Instead, let's just fucking look and see. Collider 2Ds I.name. Transform parent name. And then
Groove Salad, listener-supported commercial-free radio from Soma FM.
oh, I just remembered it. What am I doing? Okay. This is not helping. I need the fucking single ball. I understand what I'm doing. Secret loop exit. Secret loop piece. Secret loop entrance. Secret loop piece. You're saying you're overlapping all of this as you exit the piece? No, you're not. What in the fuck is this fucking call? What the fuck? What in the fuck is going on? That makes zero fucking sense. I'm sorry. It does 12 calls at once? No. No. Hold on. Not 12. It's not doing 12. Okay, hold on. It's doing 6. It's only doing 6, but still. Okay, 8. So we're down to 8, which means it's actually 4. So it thinks it's over an in block, which it's not. It understands that the in block's parent is the piece. That's good. It sees colliders, which is it's not even a trigger, so that's not even supposed to be a part of this. It does see drag collider, which again, not supposed to be a part of this. And it sees colliders again. Oh my god, this is such a shitty fucking code call. It doesn't do what the fuck it's supposed to. This is awful. This is 30. No, what? Wait. Hold on a minute here. All these calls are happening on 31. But this is piece 32. 31 is down here. What is going on here? Oh my god. Oh my god. What in the fuck? No. Okay. That doesn't do anything. Tell me when I do. Whoop. What? What? No. No. It's not even being called any. I'm so goddamn confused right now. I think I'm gonna be sick. This is disgusting. Collider 2D. Collider 2D. Collider 2D. On trigger exit. On trigger exit. What part of on trigger exit does the ball come into play? Mother. Fucker. I think this overlap collider call is a piece of shit. It's like, it's almost like it's just collecting colliders. Like, if I just put a bunch of these together, where are these calls coming from? At no point is it like and then look at oh my god, this is so fucking weird. Let's give you one ball. One ball works fine. But you put two balls, and then it starts breaking. No, it's not the two balls that are breaking, it's that it's leaving the drag collider for this piece, and that's making it chatty. Which means if we do this and give it one ball, it should be chatty after that slide is hit. Right here. Okay. Okay, so in a way the code is working, but in another way it's fucking broken. Pausing it, fixed it. Okie dokie, that makes a lot of sense. Let's try this again. Is it doing 90 calls at once? 30. Yeah, it's like it's fucking collecting information. It's not properly giving the right info. Fucking hell. This this is something that really doesn't matter, and I'm spending way too much time on it. It's such a goddamn corner case of a bug. How do I want to handle this? I'm checking overlap. It's overlap that's obviously broken. So maybe I should just stop checking overlap? Then how am I going to check that it's filtering against the right thing? The other idea was like only check on exits, and then if it entered, I don't want to do that. That kind of tracking is such bullshit when overlap should just work right. Hey Eli. Good news, I'm not on whatever the problem I was on when you left, but I'm on a different problem that's taking me forever and I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Okay. It's always gonna give me 30? Okay. Now if I do this, does it give me 60? No, it gives me 30. Did that loop twice? No, that's looping the right amount. Why? Why? God. Yeah, that's cool. Make sure that, yeah, I mean, you're basically gonna work for free in the hopes that what you make sells, and that's something that my artist did. And I'm sure he hates me for it now, but yeah, I mean, profit share is great as long as they share the profits and there's profits. And if there's no guarantee of those two things, then it's pointless. But, you know, it's all about where you are in life and if you can do it or not. How do I wanna fucking deal with this? It thinks there's 15 colliders. Alright, hold on. Let's get rid of this shit. Let's see how many colliders it really thinks is happening whenever I get here. Excuse me. Okay. Hit play. Let's give you a ball. Check it out. Nothing. Okay, that's not right. What? No, we'll get 2 balls. That'll break it. There we go. There we go. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. 15 colliders. You think there's 15 colliders? You're so wrong. You're so... What? Overlap colliders doesn't work. I'm calling it now. This fucking... It doesn't do what it's supposed to do. Like, it's not checking for triggers. Alright, let me look at this. Sets the filter contact results based on trigger collider involvement. Set to false to ignore any contacts involving trigger colliders. Set to true to filter any contacts involving triggers and return such contacts. Note, contacts filtered by involved trigger colliders are not filtered by normal angles of the use. What? What does that mean? Other active contacts with... No, that's not... No. Is this for filtering out or filtering in? I thought it was filtering in. In-depth range, filter angles, layer mask, depth. How many glue times are normal? Yeah, I don't think this fucking works. I don't think this code works. I don't think overlap collider works correctly. Get a list of all colliders that overlap this collider. It happens when it exits. It's supposed to use triggers. How about this? How about this? Right there. Doesn't. No, hey. Okay, I forgot to attach. That's on me. That's on me. Here we are. 15 colliders, apparently. Can I look at them in here? I probably can't. Calls is 15. Calls collider 2Ds. Collider, yeah, here we go. Oh, you guys can't see this, but I now have a fucking list. So I guess because it's still over secret loop exit. Okay. Colliders, drag. There's 2 drag colliders that it's counting. Okay, this is information I need. Alright, drag colliders. Is there a transform in here somewhere? I wish you guys could see this. Yes, there it is. Transform. Drag collider. Parent. Clone 32. Alright. Alright. So this has 32. And what's the other one? The other one is 39. 32 and 39. Wait a minute. 32 and 39. Okay, hold on. Let's just go ahead and turn that off and continue. 32 and 39. So we're over here. 39 is that, and 32 is that. I knew it. I knew it. It's not cleaning out the value. It's accumulating overlaps. Why? Overlap, collider, accumulation. Oh my god, tell me nobody has this problem. God damn it. Also, why did I get a message? Fucking hell. Huh? Oh wow. Oh shit, there's a whole lot of stuff I've been missing in my chat. Also, hi PJ. Alright, well, I can't catch up on all that conversation. Hey Gene, do I raise a red flag? Oh man. PJ, did you watch the latest Red Letter Media? I think you would enjoy it. Oh, I don't raise a red flag. Okay, that's good. I'm pretty sure I should raise a red flag. Probably not. Oh, dude, it's so funny. You would love it. They basically... I need to find you the one clip. Hold on. Let me turn off the music. Yeah, Eli, always be cautious of what you've been offered. That's all I gotta say. Here it is. I think...
How dare anyone not allow Disney to maintain their media monopoly on every character ever created?
Yeah, that. There's a really, really good part in there that you would enjoy where they're just screaming, "Fuck you, Sony," and they fucking Jay can't handle it anymore and he just cracks up. I love it. It's such a good video. Oh, I actually posted that in the chat you're in, so you know, never mind. You could have seen that anyway. Yeah, you should watch, like, I'd say the first half of that video is really fucking funny, and the rest of it is just like, eh, whatever. Alright, so this is bullshit and I hate it. How do we want to deal? How do we want to deal with this? Well, I can't. I just can't deal with this. So I need to not bother with this. This is all bullshit now. I shouldn't worry about this anymore because I can't check if it's overlapping a fucking collider correctly because it still reads old colliders. Unless I have to... No. There's a way to clear out this value directly before a check? But this only happens and it instantiates a new one every time. Shit. Do I just get rid of the if you exit a drag collider, swap the layer? Yeah. I mean, it wasn't... Ah, fuck. Alright. Here's what we're gonna do. Because this is taking up too much of my time and I can't think of what to do yet. I'll probably like figure out an answer to this when I'm trying to fall asleep. Figure out how to make this overlap collider work correctly so that mislayered balls can be relayered correctly on leaving drag collider. Alright, so we'll just go ahead and do this. This is definitely not needed anymore, I don't think. Yeah, no. And then the other code related, or this is just it, isn't it? This is the only time I checked for leaving drag collider, and that's all. Okay. That should be good enough. So now I can just do this. And yeah, it'll actually do all the loops just fine. The timer can just fucking take care of when I do this shit. It's at least with the timer, it'll eventually... Eventually? Will it eventually? It should eventually do the right thing. Yeah, there it is. It eventually did the right thing. Hold on. Oh no. Well, you know, I just don't care. If you're gonna fucking move your pieces around and you lose a ball somehow, it's no big deal. Balls are infinite, so alright. Now, what got me onto that bullshit? It was... Oh, yeah, pivot. Oh, it was all that shit. Alright, well, we've got the rest of everything. So... Yeah, PJ, it is a real video game. Okay. So the... Oh, that's cool. The way the graphic kind of freaks out like that. Okay. No, that's not going to happen. Okay, so what we're testing is flipping. is the flipping correct? So I want this to be able to flip like that. That's fine. This flip I like. This flip is good. All right. This flip. That's a good flip. This flip. So the trouble with this flip, even though I actually like it, I kind of like this flip, but like you can't find a spot where you can flip back and forth. But I think it's fine. This flip. Oh, that's a bad flip. All right, so here's what this part of the to do is, and oh my god, why did I do this? Oh, because it flipped wrong? I think I'm fine with that flip. But this is not. This is all wrong. Why am I doing this? What is wrong with me? That flip I like. But none of this matters. I remember saying none of that matters. Okay. So this piece has a bad pivot. That's what we need to fix. The pivot is set in other pieces by what exactly? This? Yeah. So we want to go into here. Not that one. Sorry, this one. And then I think that's the pivot? Ooh. Can't remember actually exactly. I need to figure this out real quick. We got. What is your pivot? Where's your pivot? I think it's just based on where this is. For them. Pivot there. Yeah. Okay. So all we need to do for this is move this to where we want the pivot to be. So that would put the pivot there? No, that's not what we want. We want it further this way. This would put the pivot here. I think that's a pretty good pivot point. So then we just move everything else so that in the right spot other than this. So then we do this. And I think that's all we... Fuck, I'm doing it in play mode. Well, not that it matters. This is a free bad. So I think that should do it. Let's make sure. Unfortunately, it messes up any save files, but yeah. Alright, collision is good. That goes right, and it pivots correctly. Alright, yes, this is the to-do. This is what we're doing today. And then I'm gonna play... Gotta tighten the graphics. Well, I mean, it's mostly UI and the marble. Everything else is actually mostly done graphics-wise, so... We're trying to, you know, make it look like a mobile game, and then once I put it on a different platform, we'll change the colors around for that. Alright, that's a good flip. That's a good flip. I'm fine with that flip. This flip is... I don't know about this flip. No, that's a good flip. I'm fine with that flip. This flip, yep, just one space over, that's fine. That's a good flip. This is a bad flip. These are bad flips. All of these have bad flips. That's good. That's fine. That's fine. This one doesn't even matter. That's good flip. Good flip. Good flip. Yeah, I'll take that. I kind of... Well, I can't do this one right anyway, so these are fine, these are fine, that's fine, and that one's fine. Okay, so only these weird-ass steep slopes are in need of fixing. So that's these 4. We'll get to those in just a minute. I need to use the bathroom. to add a to-do that I just remembered was super important. Add advanced mode option. Okay. Oh no, I forgot what I'm supposed to call you, Moat. Are you Eli? Are you another Eli? I forget. I think you're Eli, right? The Eli's take over. Oh no. Just, oh, Luke, okay. I'm just gonna call you Moat. Okay, there we go. Alright, so just these four. And then we're good on this to-do. And then I'm going to play Driver San Francisco until I'm too hungry to not get dinner. Although maybe I'll just get dinner after I'm done with this because I am actually already kind of hungry. So all we have to do is move this to the pivot point that I want, which is right here. So I got to keep my eyes right there. Be happy with that. But this needs to be, hold on, this needs to be lined up right. So it's either going to be here or here. Oh, that's a bit of a mess, but I think it'll be fine. Okay, and then we take everything else and drag it up the correct spot. Let's double check on that. Make sure that that is good. I think it is. I'd rather it was, well, no, I can't. It's either gonna be this piece goes left and right, or this part goes left and right. Yikes. Let's just try it the other way just to see what it's like. Oh, wait a minute, that's actually really good. Fuck. Alright, I was wrong, and this is good. What was the other piece that we did before, just so I can make sure? It was that, right? Yeah. That's good. Okay, so this is salvageable. That's even space 1, 2, 3, 4. That's even 1, 2, 3. That's not. That's gonna be weird, and then that one's probably gonna be weird. Okay. Cool. Alright, so you're gonna be directly under that. So let's put you like there. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's put you over here. We'll do the rest. This one's gonna be weird, probably. This one. So that seems right to me. We'll go and fix them if they need fixing, no big deal. And then you need to be like there. Be there? No, this is about right. I want to say here. Alright, let's hit play and see what we're up to. We'll just go and put these pieces right in front of me so I can see how happy I am with them. Yeah, that seems about right. That seems like a good flip. That one's not. That one needs to be moved down and right. This one, that's a perfect flip. And then that one. Perfect. Then again, I don't know if this is the one that I think would be messed up, but maybe that's fine. We'll give that one a shot. Which one is that? Well, whatever. I'll figure it out. Oh, this one. So we'll move this like that. Yeah, that's probably not gonna do right. Not gonna make it any better. Yeah, that's just flipping the bot. Okay, so we'll put that one back. Gene, but what if they're smarter and they know to call themselves producer? Or game designer, or game lead designer. Cause that's what I was trying to sell myself as. I'm an idea guy, I just happen to know how to make stuff also. That's why I got to where I am today, doing this. He's 12. Okay, well, I think that's... Call me ageist. But I'm ageist. Alright, anyways, that's it for the pivots. That's not it, however, for the colliders. We'll pull the pivot point check done. Full collision redux is not done. But I am fucking tired. And honestly, I feel like I would have fun doing collision stuff, and I'm too tired to do it right now. So, I'm calling it. For development. I'm gonna do... No, I'm not even in the mood anymore. That's it. I'm done with the stream. Alright, the stream is over. Thanks for showing up, everybody. Appreciate it. Thanks for having a fun time at my stream. And I'll see you all later. I'll see you over at Vinny's stream or something. I don't know. It's time to go now. Please all have a good night. And thanks for showing up, Mop. I hope I see you at more of my streams. I need to do more work, but I am too tired. Until the next time I see you all, have a good night.